Hi and welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how you can build an info screen on your report page and how you can turn it on and off with a simple button. First, my name is Catherine. I'm managing partner of Yoda BI, founder of Colors of Fabric and Power Platform User Group Hamburg. All the content you can see in the tutorials you can find on my GitHub repositories like measures, datasets, and so on. You can go on my blog if you want, or follow me on LinkedIn and on YouTube if you want. Okay, let's jump in directly. So you see here now my page, and I will show you what's the goal of this tutorial. So now if I click on this button, I open a info screen where I find some further information to this visuals, for example. So you can put all the information you need to tell your end users what's, for example, the calculation in a card or who's responsible for the report and so on. And then, if I'm ready with reading, I can close my screen. Okay, how can I do that? First, we open a new page. And then I need, of course, the info page. That's the first thing. So I will open up my info screen for my report. And then I put it here. I make it a bit bigger so that it fits the whole page. And I go on the right side on style and put it on fit so that it's responsive if you open it on another device. Okay, so now I have my info page and I need, of course, a button to close this info page or the info screen. So I go on button, I click on back and I click on 3 dots on the side so it's easier for me to navigate or to drag and drop this visual. Okay, good. And now we need the bookmark pane and the selection pane, which you can find under view. There is the bookmark and the selection pane. So if I want to hide things, I need the selection pane. So now you see I can hide, for example, my button. I can close the eye and open the eye. So, okay, and I need the bookmark. Bookmarks are like screenshots. So you make a screenshot from your page from a specific point. You can also manage that the data will be filtered and so on. So there are many options. We will do a very simple screenshot, so only the info screen will appear and then it will disappear. For that, we need, of course, the screenshot of the open screen, of the open info screen. So we add now this page here. If you work with more than one bookmark, I would prefer that, or I will give you a tip. So use naming convention. For example, I put in here page 2 and then info screen, maybe write it right, screen open. Okay, and then I will hide now my button and my image, and of course I need a button to open it. So I go on insert, I click on button, I click on information, click on the 3 dots, drag it in the right position, and now I have, it's very important, to update the page 2 info. Otherwise, what will happen if I click on it? You see, because it's not hidden. So now I can click on the button here, not on the first one, so on the info. And now I go on the 3 dots and say update. Okay, now it's correct. Okay, now close the image and let the info button appear again. So now, and add another screenshot and say here page 2 closed info screen. Okay, now I can click on page 1 on open, on close, on open, on close. So you see it works. Okay, now we have to put this function on the button. Means I have to click on the button, go to action on the right side, click on type bookmark, and choose the right screenshot. And in this case, it should close if I click on the back button. And now let's see if it works. You have to click on CTRL and then click on the info button. So hopefully it should work. Sometimes the image is a bit in a way here. You see, that's not good. So if that happens, of course, we can stay with the correct size here. We don't have to minimize it. You can simply click on the button and then it's marked. And I can click on CTRL and then you see the function works. Now we have to click on the info button so that we can open the info screen. Now we go to action, choose again bookmark and choose the open screenshot. And now click on CTRL, click on the info button, click again, and you see now you can open and close your info screen. So that's it. 6 minutes, not more. Hope it is helpful. Let me know in the comments what I can do better, maybe. And yeah, I wish you a very nice day and we see us in the next try. Bye bye. Have fun with Power BI.